I didn't get it. I don't think I got it.
Wow, it flies up and hits him.
We got Liam over here. We got the dirt bike man up here.
Alright. Untwist it, untwist it. Actually, no, it's fine.
You need gloves?
No.
Good. Pussy. Don't be a pussy. You're not a pussy. Yeah, I know. It hurts your hands whenever you're grabbing the sled and the ground at the same time. It smacks on the ground when you hit bumps. That's why I have gloves on. He's drifting. Look at that. Matt. Oh shit. Missed it. They missed it. My turn. Here, Liam. Fucked up. That's fucked up. At this point, we had to untangle it because it got tangled up really bad.
Your longest video can be 9.
My longest video could be much longer than that, but I did not know at the time that it was only set for 9 minutes. The edge of the property line against the road, and then he drives off. That's why I fall off, because he was trying to go on the road. I thought he was trying to go on the road at that time, but he really wasn't.
On today's episode of Dumb Doing Dumb Shit. That's fucking dumb. Yeah, motherfuckers, I love America.
America! Fuck yeah! Oh, you fell!
What?
My turn. Here, take these. I can't record with these. You want them?
Yeah. Where's your clutch go? Is it warm in
What?
here? Where's your clutch go?
Your clutch gone.
It's in my pocket.
Oh.
I know. It goes fast without it.
The video stopped.
I know. No, I accidentally pressed the button. Running over here.
He meant the process of getting on the sled, getting up and going without it. Yes, I got it on video.
Oh my God!
That kid is why you don't do this.
As soon as you ate shit, it fucking yanked me over.
We are totally professionals
We are professionals. We are trained in the arts
of our imagination.
retardism.
Yeah.
We're trained in the arts of retardism.
Or dumbass shitnism. Sorry, I sound like that when I am
broke
laughing.
his clutch handle.
I have a split between
Isn't
my
that like the
tooth
fourth
because
time
one
in
of
the
them did
past
not
3
come
months?
in.
What?
Isn't that the fourth time in the past 3 months?
A few months. This is really broke. What are you trying to do? Put the string back down. The plastic. No, we got it.
Oh, my turn since Liam ate shit. We take turns whenever.
Twice. He actually won.
Wait, when did I eat shit?
Not in your house. You try to rant. You try to turn.
It was like a year ago. That's when I was first starting to drive.
Oh yeah, it is starting to cut to the plastic though. Okay, where's Isaac's machete?
At the house, he almost ate shit again. Hey, let me get on. 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 Oh shit! Oh, we're hitting the ball. No, Liam! Liam, no! Liam, no! Liam! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! Oh my god! They left Isaac all the way down there. There's shit all over my camera. Oh, that was fun. Oh shit. Oh. Oh, ain't no nothing. Oh shit. Woo. Whoa. Drifting your soul. Oh, hey, the cord, the cable, the cable. Damn. Help me up. Oh god.
That one?
I caught that on video of me eating, like rolling myself. Wait, hold on. You should take me back up there so I could get a video of Isaac pulling Isaac behind it. Hit the jump, hit the jump.
Dude, what the fuck? Stay in gear.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Hey, slow down! Don't go in the tree.
Fell off. He fell off.
Oh my god! I think I got that on video. I think I got it.
What?
There's a Mustang.
Yeah.
Since when is that there?
Pick up the metal and throw it over there by the car. Don't hit him though. I'm not jumping that again. It was terrifying. He said,
I got it on video.
like it popped up and then it rolled the air. We're not what was fun. I think there's steady pads over there on the little pond.
Do it.
Nah, they get mad. That's the run out first. Let me, ready?
Don't fucking roll your ankle like that. Do it, Liam! Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Pussy! Ow! I got back! Not very well. Look at it. Look at his short head getting up.
My leg! My leg! No, I'm kidding.
I don't know if you guys can hear that. Coming, hold on. Oh, he fell off. Hey. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. I appreciate it. If you like these videos, I do all sorts of outdoor videos. I cut down trees and chop wood up sometimes. Not very often because I don't have a GoPro. It's dangerous if I don't because I could get hurt and my phone will be broke if it hits it wrong. And then I do gaming videos, but not very often because I don't have a setup for me to record. So it's not very good quality. So thanks for watching. Peace out.